guys, for today's video, unbox natin itong Switch 8-inch home entertainment portable speaker. Ito yung model niya, SWBT823TWS. Ano guys, rechargeable na yung kanyang mic. Ito yung version 2 nito. Rechargeable na yung wireless mic. Ito yung kanyang features: easy switch, Bluetooth version 5.0, USB slot, portable, 3600 mAh yung battery, mic input, AC/DC na rin, lead lightning, meron ng FM radio, Switch portable speaker. Version 2 ito guys, rechargeable ng kanyang microphone. So hindi na kayo bibili ng ng disposable battery. Tapos yung mic niya guys is 2 GHz na. Digital na yata ito, digital na kanyang mic. So yun guys, i-unbox na natin itong Switch SWBT823TWS. So let's go. Buksan na natin ito, na natin para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pagbukas. Yun. Itong kanyang microphone, 2.4 GHz yata yan. Digital microphone. Meron siya nitong, wala siyang label guys, pero volume at up set yata ito. Tapos kasama na kanyang rechargeable battery. Meron siya kasamang remote, AC cord, ito yung kanyang rechargeable battery, 1200 mAh, mic stopper, .5 jack, type C to USB, mic holder, manual, tsaka warranty card. So ito yung battery niya guys. Frequency, nagbi-blink siya guys kasi hindi siya na-pick up, walang na-pick up kasi naka-off pa yung unit natin. Yun no, Switch. So guys, meron siyang dalawang mic input, auxiliary input, SD card, USB, charging light indicator, mic volume, switch, ito yung switch, AC to DC, mic volume, mode, record, equalizer, menu, lights, play, next, forward, button ito.
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Ito yung kanyang display. Yung speaker niya is 8 inches. Ito yung kanyang mic holder, ilagay. Ito saksak yung kanyang AC cord. Yung bagong model ni bagong version sa 803. So on natin guys. Yan.
Bluetooth mode. Device connected.
So try natin. Excuse me, excuse that. Guys, so hindi na siya nagbe-blink. Sound check, check mic test. Sound check, mic test, sound check. So yan guys, sa gustong mag-avail, PM lang kayo sa ating page, Shilos Electronics. At sa malalayo, Lagay ko yung link sa Shopee account namin. So doon kayo mag-order. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Please subscribe. Marami pa tayong i-unbox dito lang sa Shellos Channel.